My video tutorial is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Capital Buff. Capital Buff is a special extension that actually works as a browser hijacker. Once it gets installed, it changes a lot of crucial browser settings without the user's permission. It replaces the new tab, and also whenever people submit any search queries, they would notice that the results are delivered by some other unfamiliar search engines. Typically, these are search engines that have not been chosen by the customers. This is all happening because of this Capital Buff unwanted extension. So we recommend you to remove it immediately by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you see this extension, Capital Buff, disable and remove it. Now, to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.